We have list of different kind of operators. So on left hand side we have operators, and on the right hand side we have type. So first is logical not operation. Then second is arithmetic and modulus operator. So arithmetic for that means multiplication, it is division and modulus operator. Now plus minus, which are arithmetic operator. Now less than, greater than, less, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, these are relational operator. Now equal to or not equal to, these are also relational operator. Now and, so and is logical and operation. Or it is logical or operation. Now is equal to is assignment operator. Now a word of caution. So in this section we will first see a faulty program, that means program with a fault or which need to be repaired, and then we will understand what was wrong with it, and in next section we will write correct program. So first we will see faulty program. So this is a faulty program. First line is main, that is, this is a compulsory function which is used in every program. Now int I, so I is an integer. Now printf, enter value of I. So printf, that means enter value of I is, we are telling user to enter value of I. Now scanf, %d ampersand I. So because %d is used because I is an integer. Now if I is equal to 5, that means if I is 5, that means we are here starting comparison. Printf, you entered 5. So if I is equal to 5, then printf, you entered 5. Else printf, you entered something other than 5. That means if I is equal to 5, you entered 5, else printf, you entered something other than 5. And here the program is ended because we are closing bracket. Now we will discuss about what is wrong with this program. Here we have used the assignment operator is equal to instead of relational operator is equal to. That means we have used only one sign of is equal to, so which was wrong with program. As a result, the condition gets reduced to if phi, irrespective of what you supply value of I. As a result, the condition is not getting satisfied. Remember, in C, truth is always non-zero, whereas falsity is always 0. That means truth is 1 and falsity is 0. Therefore, if phi always evaluates to true, and hence the result. So if we write if in bracket phi, so it will always evaluate to true, and hence the result. Now we will discuss about correct program. Now this is a correct program. So in this main is used. So main, after that bracket open, int I, that is integer is I is an integer. Now printf, enter value of I, that is we are telling user to enter value of I. Now scanf %d comma ampersand I, that is scanf the because a percent is used because I is an integer. Now if I is equal to 5, that means if I is equal to 5, printf entered, you entered 5. That means this is a correct program. And here is equal to is used 2 times. So this section was about word of caution, that means where you can go wrong. So this is very important that you have to write we have to write 2 times equal to sign for a comparison.